ServiceWorks, the ultimate solution for your appliance repair business. Dive in to discover how our software effortlessly transforms your operations. Every minute is precious in the appliance repair industry. That's where ServiceWorks steps in with an all-encompassing platform to manage your schedule, dispatch, invoicing, and so much more. Start your day with an organized, easy-to-navigate schedule. Our intuitive calendar, with its simple drag-and-drop functionality, allows you to effortlessly manage and adjust appointments. Dispatching is made efficient with real-time tracking of your technicians. Send the nearest available technician to urgent jobs, reducing travel time and costs. Job management is a breeze with ServiceWorks. Technicians can access job histories, warranty information, and even service manuals, all at their fingertips. Bid farewell to time-consuming paperwork, generate invoices on the spot, and receive payments faster with our integrated payment solutions. Make informed decisions with our comprehensive dashboard. Track everything from job status to customer satisfaction, aiding you in improving your service and expanding your business. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from our satisfied clients. ServiceWorks revolutionized the way we manage our operations. It's reliable, user-friendly, and the support team is always there when we need them. Are you ready to elevate your appliance repair business? Visit our website or call us today to get started with ServiceWorks. Experience efficiency like you've never seen before.